Hey, 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 happy Friday, you trader nerds. Look at this. The overnight high is the little bit of resistance right now. See that? Resistance, resistance, resistance. Of course, it busted through here. So we'll see what happens here. It looks like this is, we've been ranging all day, right? Range up to the top and the bottom of the 15-minute opening range. If I were a betting man, I would probably short it right there, but that's why I don't scalp because I'm not too good. But I'd probably short it there for a couple of points. That looks like that is certainly resistance. Nobody's trading, y'all. Everybody's going to the Hamptons or to Lake Wedowee if you're here in Alabama or Georgia. So VIX is at 13.63, AD at 29. Let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster shows us that we are overbought for the fair value zone below it. We have a target of 4403 in the next 10 days. But of course, we may fill these gaps first. So if it doesn't go up, it's going to go down. But I feel we might, plug some of these volume pockets right in here, as we see it often do. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression shows a gap open today, right? Gap open. We're above the 50 daily moving average, and we'll see if that holds as a level of support. So everything looks good. Let's see our Tasty account is now at a 99% probability of profit, and we are at $40,933. Let's see how that looks. 49.33. 49.33. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, so we ended last week. Let's see, what was it? What was this? Let's see, the first of the week was a Friday. Okay. So Friday we were at 49.11. Today we're at 49.33. We made $22 this week. Praise the Lord Jesus. Hey, at least we didn't lose anything, right? So that's good. So let's see how we're doing on our Greeks and ratios. And our Greeks and ratios look something like we are 100 delta, 68 theta, 168. We got a really good Muscadine Mafia session coming up. You don't want to miss. What if we turned our naked puts into a sweet Bobby hedge? I think I've talked about this before, but it's kind of interesting concept. We're going to look at it today. So y'all hang around for the Muscadine Mafia session. And our buying power is 17,451. 17,451. Okay, so we're at 42%. We're at 0.17 here. We're a little bullish, more than we should be, but everything looks good. I think I can push it a little bit. I think I could put on an additional trade because I'd like to get this up to 0.20. So why don't we do that? Just put us on a trade. We'll go to MES, we'll go trade tab. We'll go to that 85-day, see if we can find $20 on the 9 Delta plan. I like calling it the 9 Delta plan. 9 Delta plan, we can sell the 40.25s. We can do 2 of those. And let's see if we can sell it for $20 or 20 and a quarter. And fill, baby. Come on, fill me. Let's go again down to 20. And that'll hopefully fill. And fill, baby. And nothing. Hey, we're in. I was about to go out to another expiration, but we got in. So we're 83 days in. So that means we got to have 42 days on our longs. I put debit spread. So we'll go down to the 44-day, which is actually 42 days, looks like. And we'll go down to the 9 Delta, because this is our 9 Delta plan. 9 Delta. So we could do the 41.90s, buy that, and then go down to the 38.90s. 38.90 and sell that one for $8.75. Let's move it up to 9. That is 300 wide. And we are in and done. So now our deltas went from 100 to 107, and this went from what, 68 to 71. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And we just keep printing money. $4,322 year to date. All right, good deal. Okay, questions, comments, anything? All right, let's go to our Crimson account. And the Crimson account is net looking trades. We're at 29,865. 29,865. Let's go put that in. 29, 865. Rico, fire up that
Well, we're
band.
moving on up to the east side to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Okay, so in this account, looks like we lost what, 30, $34 or so. Okay, no big deal. No big deal. We're still doing good. We're at 13.57 when the market is at. What's the market at? Market's at 16.05. I told you we're gonna catch them. It's just a matter of time, y'all, before we pass on and get above market return. It's coming. It will come within the next 3 months, I am sure. Let's do our Greeks and ratios here. So we'll go over here and go to monitor tab. Take off our groups so we can see our stuff. And here we are at 69.37. 69.37. 69.37. Okay. This is at 13. And our buying power usage is 11,157. 11,157. So we're at 37%, y'all. And this is at 0.12. And I've been kind of wanting to push this to 0.2. So what are we going to do? Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to look to see if any existing trade needs to be taken off. And indeed, it says it does. The 4075s with 42 days have served their purpose. Let's go see them. 4075 with 42 days. So let's go and see our naked puts. And here we go. Here's our nakeds. The greatest profit is these 4075s with 42 days. That's good. They're at 64% profit. Let's take it. Create flows in order. Buy them back. Got 8 1/4. We're going to try. Well, let's try 8 1/4. Let's see if we can get it. And we are out at 8 1/4. Let's put that in. So we close those at 8 1/4. See if we got Applebee's money, baby. We're going to the football game. Maybe I can buy a hamburger at the concession stand. 9, 8, 23. With your defending state championship, Bowden Red Devils, we made $139. I'll be like, Beth, if you want a Dr. Pepper and a piece of candy and a hot dog, knock yourself out, baby. I made $139.12 today. Praise the Lord. Okay. So let's do that. Now let's put on another trade. So let's go MES. Let's roll it out to that 83 days. Go to the 9 Delta, because this is the 9 Delta plan that we're trading. So 944, 4025s. Let's sell them. 2 of them. All right. And we'll go for that little price right there. So we'll go, hey, baby, baby. Hey, baby, baby. Oh, come on. There we go. So 4025s for 2050. 4025s for 2050. Let's put that in our thing. 4025s for 2050. 20.50. 4025 at 83 days. And we did it on 9/8/23. And let's pass my microphone here. Yes. We did a 2 trancher. I'm gonna call this naked put 90. Puts naked. All right. So that we brought in $202. So now we got to put in our put debit spread. And we'll go 1 tranche. We'll call it PDS 90. Puts debit spread. Was it 42 days? 9/8/23. Okay, let's go find it. 42 days. Here we go. 42. This is the 9 Delta plan. That's all you got to do. Remember 9 Deltas. So we're going to buy the 9 Delta. We sold the 9 Delta. We're going to buy the 9 Delta. And let's do this 41.90 again. So we're going to buy it. Go to the 38.90. Sell it. We're going to try 9.50. We're going to try 9.75. Okay. If we can get filled there. There we go, baby. 9.75, 41.90, 38.90, 9.75. 9.75. And we said that was the 41.90. 38.90. Beautiful. So that's it, y'all. That's all you got to do. So we brought in about $150 of credit after the two things. We brought in 202 and spent out 51. Okay. Y'all have a beautiful weekend. We're coming up with Muscadine Mafia session next. I will see y'all Monday.